Working on Big Blue. Uh, so this what I got, man. It ain't nothing fancy. Some I just two cuts, put it together. Some carpet I had in the garage, cleaned it off and then put it on. I ain't do too much sanding. Y'all probably can see the little ripples and stuff right there. This is not nothing I'm trying to make fancy. This is something I'm trying to have to ride around with till I actually get a chance to go in on this car. It's a whole bunch of screw holes all through the floor, man. Whoever had this system in here before, man, they did like a bunch of just drilling in the floor. I want to patch all that up. Um, all the scratches, the waves on the driver's side doors, paint crackling and stuff. I don't know what happened down here, but I just noticed that a couple days ago. But I ain't trying to make this fancy. I'm just trying to bang it, ride it, till I get a chance to actually redo all this, which we are gonna do. Now, this is an Autotech 2000, but really it's a 600 watt 4-channel amp. I already gave y'all the rundown on it. I need a splitter so I can use both RCAs for 4-channel. But I can still make it work in full. I just won't be able to do my thing with the tweeters, but I'm gonna be able to hook it up. I'm about to start getting the door speakers in, and then getting the panels covered, and then I'm gonna change the radio first. But we'll be doing a audio test here in a second. I'm soaked, man. Like all this is wet, but got a good thing going. Show y'all this real quick. Boom. Fridge out of storage, man. Definitely need this. Take another cold water. Yes, sir. Definitely need this. My boy's in the freezer. It's hot in here, bro. It's hot. Hot. Can't wait to move, man. Get my actual real shop. Well, it's gonna be at the house, but it's gonna be a real shop for me. Have some AC in one room so I can go chill for a sec, then start back up. But yeah, these trunk done. I was supposed to drill some holes for the fuses, but I forgot the last minute, so I just put it in the corner. It'll work for me. Like I said, I ain't trying to do nothing crazy. But I had to use some reducers because it's 2 gauge. It's actually bigger than 4 gauge, so it won't go in. Fits in the 4 gauge on the amp fine. And I told y'all this is a temporary system. This is gonna have a L7 blow through when I actually do it. Just one speaker. It's gonna come literally like right here. Like right here. You can have a little bit of trunk space, groceries, whatever we decide to put back here. But enough of that talking. I'm about to keep on working, get this radio changed, get the aux cords put in, then the speakers put in, and try my best to get the whole system done. And then since the Tahoe is at the exhaust shop, I'm about to call and see what's up. Since the Tahoe is at the exhaust shop, if it don't come back to, tonight, and then we just gonna start working on a little bit of everything. But, yep, this is what y'all see, man.
Scuba diving with a nice pretty bitch and I ass like super size. I gotta work on these enterprises. I ain't under these niggas cause he know be supervised. The one wood got two inside. And when I'm trying to get good, say your bitch right Uber ride. Chasing that bag, gotta stay behind it. Me and my youngest, we stay valid. You won't be protected, just stay silent. I need that cash, I don't pay pallets. And shots to your head, now your face valid. Get locked up again, I'm a great guy. Yeah, that won't happen again. No, money for ton of friend. Gotta get props for me as I blew through an X. Bitch, that be 10. Yeah, little nigga, gon' ahead, get your numbers up. Went to Miami, I ain't even by button up. Dope little nigga, take the trip, try to turn up. Came front us, but you ain't in front of us. Handle my business and I said, line up. This ain't for you, gon' switch the genre. This ain't for you, gon' switch the genre. Yeah, I put a twist in the pole on it. Got colors like Mr. Payola. No rain low, kinda like Yola. I can never send myself as a pose and all, bitch. I'ma keep going off real. Get them up, I'ma be right on my hip. Box the bitch, it leave it fit. Box them up, nice, it's nice to get. Yeah, if I come around, don't say shit. Yeah, we used to break in the bacon shit. Yeah. Roll up the couch, I was sitting on the stool. When I hopped up, I took off to the moon. Oh my gosh, back at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood and think I'm back trapping again. Oh my gosh, back at it again. Hey, on my greasy niggas, stacking again. Hey, big up all that on me, backpacking again. Keep a car on me, backpacking the best. If you just be talking about these outside in the fridge, just come to the weed. Okay.
Man, it's cooler than earlier. About to show y'all something, man. Seen some crazy talk. Just want to show y'all something. I'm not gonna show y'all the speaker brand because the company is not replying to me about promotions, so I'm not doing no free promos. All right. The console is hooked up, but it's hooked up straight to the radio. So really, all y'all hear is the 4.6.5. Heard was the 4.6.5 that's in the doors on the amp. That's literally like on half, and I got the volume. I be riding with it on like 45. So I'm gonna show y'all something. When you run the 4-channel, it's normal to have some like hissing a little bit, right? It's normal. It's just normal. But is the hissing gonna be extra loud? Like, let me just look. It's normal. You know what? You don't hear nothing. Same value. Normal. Now if I hook the radio up right now on 45, matter of fact, turn the bass off while I'm at the house.
I ain't gon' turn, no. Me and my boy still bang. Clout nigga, I'm no
It's normal, man. But can't explain too much to too many people. I mean, I know what works for me. I've been doing my way for a long time. This thing screaming. I kind of want to add 2 more to each door. The amp will be able to take it because the speaker's only 8 ohms, so that's cool. With the higher the ohms, the more you can put on a certain amp. And this amp beats me. I had 8 speakers on there once, 4.6.5, 4.6x9s. And before that, I think I had like 8 8s, which I'm about to do again. Well, 6 8s this time. I think that's the thing I'm going with on the turbo box in the doors. 8s. We'll see. But I just want to put that in there. Like, everybody got their own way. Everybody got their own way. But as far as humming and all the other stuff, if you're using junkyard, damn flea market stuff, of course. But I mean, everybody got their own way. So I seen people saying you can't run the power and speaker wire or the aux cord on the same side. Like, it really don't matter. But like I said, everybody got their own way, man. I know what way works for me, and I mean, I ain't been having problems ever. Well, I'm about to go ahead and put this back up. I need to go get some carpet for this console. That's what I'm doing. But I'll probably make another one, man, because these Powell tweeters, they ain't screaming like they should. Yeah, the Powell Acoustic MB1s, whatever you hook them up to, they gonna get loud. So I'd probably switch these for that and use the Powells on the amp or something like that. I was trying my best to stick it in the doors, but it wasn't happening. It was gonna have to be too much fabricating and covering up, and I didn't want to do it like that because I really wanted to hook it up ASAP. You know, yeah, I just said forget it. So I'm gonna have to go put this boy up, go make some runs to get some parts, and then as far as my door panels, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But I need to come up with something because once he get the motor swap, taking these wheels off, putting factory wheels or the 30 volts on, and then I'll be driving it for a little bit because it had an AC. It'd be clean, and the inside and out. The system be ready. But yeah, I'm just gonna ride it like that for a little bit. As far as the charging system, which I see a lot of people talking about, I'm not never gonna ride with it as loud as it can go. I just ask for problems. But y'all heard the alternator ain't squealing. I gotta turn down, man. But I'm doing too much talking, man. I just wanted to address as far as 4 channels, man. Like, this is the way I've been doing it for a long time. Van, other people, man. Whatever. I don't even know why I'm explaining this stuff, but y'all see it, man. I'm always getting it on. Yeah, I'm out.